Hello guys, we got Nate behind the camera, Chris here, I'm Jeff. Today we're going to do grilled cheese. A lot of people have very strong opinions about their grilled cheese, so we're going to test out three different types, three different ways. So we got the Texas toast, which is nice and thick. We get my family favorite, which is a sourdough, and then we get more of a fancy bread, which is a white pane, nice and thin. We're going to make a sandwich with mayo as the fat. We're going to make a sandwich with oil as the fat, and we're going to make a sandwich with butter as the fat, and we're going to see which one comes out the best. And we'll have a taste test after. We'll come out with some videos after as far as different cheeses and stuff like that. For today we're just going to go with an American cheese, so that way we have a side-by-side comparison and get a feel for it. Chris?
Sounds good. Looking forward to it.
Alright, we'll see how it goes. See you down at the griddle. Our first prop. We have oil, mayo, and butter. That way we can keep them separated and see how they come out. We're just going to lay those down. So first we get the sourdough, then we get the Texas toast, and then we get the Tuscan cane. We're going to do 3 slices of cheese on each. We're going to keep it the same, consistent, so that way all is fair in the comparison. So we started this. This is starting to brown up a little bit. So it's not too bad. We didn't really mention it, but in the corner we have some tomato soup going. Keep warm. There's the mayo. This is the mayo.
Nice and brown.
Looks pretty good, huh?
It does look good. Oh, perfect.
And this is the oil. It's lighter.
Oh,
It looks pretty good too.
good. That looks good.
So overall, you can see it definitely has a little bit of a different cooking characteristic between the three.
Yeah. Oil's lighter. Mayo's a little darker. The butter, darkest on this one. And I would say, same thing here. The oil's lighter. Mayo is a little bit darker. Butter is darkest. Right?
Yep.
In the back here, you might have a hot spot on the mayo on this one because these two are pretty close to the same. Well, I'd say the butter's probably a little darker.
Obviously
Yeah.
the butter's the quickest.
Most browning.
Probably gonna take a little less time on this side, I would think.
Yeah.
We added another sandwich over there. You wanna?
This, we just threw a little bacon in. Try that out. We did it with mayo. Everybody seems to swear by the mayo, so we'll have to test it out, see which one comes out best. But that's not part of the test. This is the butter. Looks really, really good. Now that we know it seems to cook a little faster. Take that off. This is going on this side. The mayo. That seems to be pretty good right there. A little bit longer for that. And the oil seems to be browning up nice and consistent, but a little slower. So we'll leave that on for a little bit. Finish this up, bring it upstairs, try it out, and see which one we like best. Okay. So this is the butter. We're going to just cut this one open. I'm going to try a piece of each with the different thickness breads, see which one we end up liking the best, but I figure this will be a good test as far as to see the inside. You can see it's got a nice
It's white.
melted to it. And it ended up warming up the tomato soup just right, sitting on the griddle. I don't know if you could see it in the video, but I put a piece of aluminum foil under the pan just to keep it from getting greasy on the bottom of the pan. Makes cleanup a little easier. So we'll be back with the taste test, see which one we like best.
So we got Chris and Jeff tasting. We got over here the butter, the mayo, oil, butter, mayo, oil, and this is the Texas toast thickness.
This is the Texas toast. This is the thickest one.
All right, Chris, you go first.
Not bad.
Tasting like grilled cheese. That was the butter.
Mm-hmm. All right. Try the butter. This one's a butter on mine. That's what I'm used to,
Yeah.
as far as the butter.
Here's the one that is the new.
Mayonnaise one?
Yeah,
That's
mayonnaise.
I actually like it better than the butter.
Why?
Get this
Why?
mixed up here.
Tastes better. Better taste. Taste
Oh.
the cheese.
As you can see, the butter and the mayonnaise cooked a little quicker than the oil. Let's try that.
This
Yeah,
is,
the oil definitely oil is the lightest.
this was, the butter was a lot dry. The mayonnaise was not as dry to me.
It's not as dry, it's just got a little extra flavor.
It does. Yeah. That one I like better so far.
All right. How do they stack up against oil?
Crispy, kind of dry.
It is crispy. I like the texture better.
Yeah, it's got a nice texture.
Dry too. I think mayonnaise is the best one.
I hate to admit it, but I never had a mayonnaise grilled cheese
Neither I.
before,
I like it.
and I think I like that the best. Chris?
Well,
I agree.
I'll give you a second reason why I might like it the best. You don't have to thaw the mayonnaise to spread it on the bread.
yeah.
That's actually really good.
That too. That
I'll tell you
too.
what, my second choice is the oil.
And it was really easy to over-oil the oil, as far as putting it on.
Yeah.
But that came out nice and crispy. I thought it would be a little soggy, with the amount of oil.
Yeah,
in
no,
it.
and actually, I like it. It's nice and toasted. It's not what you're used to with a grilled cheese. Like, it's got a real, I like the
Oddly enough, the one that we're used to growing up is the one that like the
worst.
least.
Yeah.
All right, so that's that.
Hey, that was the point, though,
Cheers.
right?
Yes,
That
that's
was the
the
point.
point. We figured
Yeah.
We learned something today.
Now we
I
can
know.
enjoy some a whole platter of grilled cheese sandwiches. Thanks. Like the video. Subscribe.
Yeah, if you
Let
like
us know what you
this,
think.
hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.